Today, my friends, I want to invite you somewhere special. Even though I've taken you here many times before, today is a new day, a new opportunity to tend to the home and to take care of what's at hand, and hopefully turning it into something beautiful. Welcome to my kitchen. I know we spend a lot of time here on our channel talking about cultivating the beautiful life, and the reason is I believe in the power of beauty. I believe that physical beauty in the home offers a tangible way to change our feelings and change our emotions, to change the whole feel of a space. I like to call this the magic. So today, I'd love for you to come along with me as we take a crusty little kitchen in much need of some love and affection after a long summer and prepare it for a weekend of company. This means that our kitchen needs to be tidied, scrubbed, and the room itself needs to be in a posture of getting ready to welcome in others. Something that says, come on in, we're ready for you. We've set you a place at the table. The autumn transformation of the kitchen is always one of my favorites because it's a time when the warm colors start to find their way, and it makes sense to drape the center table once again in a beautiful new tablecloth. And it makes sense to put up bouquets of fall flowers from the garden, to put on full display and celebrate the beautiful colors and textures of the season.
Today is a fairly big day for our family because company is coming. And as much as I would love to sip espresso all day while I clean the kitchen, that is not good for me. I am too old for that. So instead, at this time of day, I do reach for my mud water. I know the name mud water might be a little strange to your ears, but trust me, it's very, very good. It tastes sort of like tea and coffee and hot chocolate all mixed into one. I like to have mine with frothed milk. It's full of good ingredients and functional mushrooms like reishi and lion's mane and of course cacao, with a fraction of the caffeine that coffee has. These wonderful ingredients help to support focus and immunity and energy. There's no sweeteners. It's certified organic. Using my exclusive link that's available right below the video, code Shaye, all one word, check the spelling, you can get 15% off of your starter kit with mud water and get a free frother, something that I use when I make my mud water lattes and all the time in my kitchen. All right. Mud water time, and then we have a lot of work to do.
My favorite way to reset the kitchen for a new season is to reset what I like to call my bounty table. This was an idea that I brought into my cottage kitchen years ago, and it serves as a sort of living pantry of perishable goods so that when I go to prepare supper, all the best produce is at hand. The first step is always stripping it, scrubbing it, and polishing some of those edges off that go untended in the summertime. When I'm busy tending to the vegetable gardens and working through the other garden's kitchen tasks like dusting cobwebs and washing windows are always pushed to the back burner. But this is the time and the season to begin to tend those once again. Once the scene is set, I can begin to refill the harvest table in a way that feels beautiful and bountiful to the season at hand. Something that says, here's what's in season, this is what we're eating, and this is what you're going to see on the supper table. In this way, we get to eat with our eyes before we've ever even started supper. After making something beautiful to encourage me on, I like to do what my dear friend Angela calls neutralizing the ugly. This means that dishes need to be washed and put away. Counters need to be wiped off. The sink needs to be scrubbed, the garbage taken out, and the pieces that get worn day in and day out, like my little soap plate, need to be tended to. Every piece, each season, gets just a little extra attention. Today, I'm going to be stocking my soap dish with some new wool dish sponges from our store LIMONE, which is now stocked with the most wonderful autumn home goods, including candles and soaps. I'm going to put a link to that right below the video. Even though our homes aren't living, to me, they do hold a magic because they're so full of life. After all this effort, what I find is that this is the room that my family will want to be in because the energy is right. It's welcoming, it's fresh, it smells clean, and it looks inviting, and something about it draws people in. And now the stage is finally set for something wonderful, a welcoming in abundance. Knowing that our guest was due to arrive in just a few hours, we decided it was time to mix up some olive oil chocolate chip cookies, because if you know anything about a working kitchen, it's that once it's clean, everyone gets inspired to make something delicious. To me, this is just another piece of the magic, especially when the kids get to be involved in it. Another layer of pleasure is coming, and there's joy in our kitchen, even though it's very used, very bustling with energy. But something about it says, hey, come in and sit a spell. There's good and delicious things happening here, and you are welcome. Though I'm sharing my autumn kitchen with you today, you should very well know that there are some very crusty corners and cobwebs still. The dog is forever scratching the paint off the door. We've yet to find a doorknob that will stay put, and our root cellar is what I can only describe as a complete and utter disaster. But luckily, perfection isn't the point. The point is a life well tended and well lived. A beautiful life. A bit of intentionally cultivated beauty for me and mine, and whomever happens to find themselves at our table. Cheers.